Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video is going to be a very short one. Two people reached out to me and they asked me how I achieved the text effect on this flyer. Right, so basically I created like videos for them, short videos, and I sent it to them, but I realized, there might be other people that actually don't know how to do it and they might appreciate a tutorial on it. So I decided to just record this and upload it to my channel so that it gets to more people that may need it. So I'm just basically going to show you how I created this text effect as this Saturday football that you're seeing on this flyer. I'm going to show you how I did it. So not talking too much, let's get right into the video. So I'm just going to create a new file, and it can be any size honestly, and I'm just make sure the background is black just like the original flyer. So yeah, so let's assume this is your background. You can do it on any background. I'm just showing you how I did that one. So the first thing is, of course, write your text. So Saturday football. So once you've written your text, I want to centralize it. So you change the color to whatever color you have in mind, whatever color or gradient that you want to use. Alright, so and then you change the font to the fonts you also want. So then I think I'll try Poppins bold. I don't know if it's Poppins I use for that one, but I'm going to use Poppins for this one. Right, let me see if I can find the gradient that will work. Let me see if I can find a gradient. Okay, I don't think there's a gradient here. So you know what, I'll just use pure yellow, but this one looking somehow. Okay, so now let's assume you've written your text, you've made sure it's the color that you want it to be, your gradient. The next thing you do is you right click on it and you go to blending options. Right, once this blending options opens up, you add a stroke. Go to stroke, add a stroke. So I'm going to add a stroke of 2. I think 2 is okay. I'm actually going to come back and change this color. Okay, so I'll leave it at this. Let me reduce the stroke. So I'll go back, I'll double click, go to stroke. Let's try 1. Okay, I'll leave it at 1. Then after doing a stroke, you go to your drop shadow. You can just add a drop shadow. It's not really sure because my background is black, and then I added the outer glow and I made it yellow. Right, so if you can see, if you look, you kind of see the glow if you look closely. If I increase the opacity, you see it very well, but I'm going to reduce it. Alright, so now once you have all that, you have your stroke, your outer glow, your shadow, the color you want, whatever. The main thing now is you're going to right click on that text effect and you're going to convert it to a smart object. Once it is a smart object, you're going to press Ctrl T to transform it. You click on this icon at the top to warp it. Once you've warped it, you're going to come here to see this warp. It's going to be on custom. There are other options, but you're going to want to leave it on custom. When it's on custom, now you can now start moving it around. Just left click and drag, or you can click on any of the anchor points and use the anchor points to move a text around. When you press good, you can see that the text has been manipulated. You can also still go back, and if you don't like what you did, you can go and change it. So yeah, that's how I basically created that text effects for this. Yeah, that's basically how I created it. This one looks better because I use the gradient, you understand, I use the gradient. So this is just a plain color, and then the stroke too is not showing as well. I think I made the stroke too small. Yeah. So what if you wanted to edit it, you can just double click on the smart object. It will take you back here, and then you can make whatever edit you want, right? Then now apart from this, if you press Ctrl T and you go to this warp, apart from this custom, there are other things like this arc. Now it just turns your text into an arc basically, so you can just explore others and see what they do. You can try flag, you can see what it does to your text, right? So basically that's how I achieve that text effect. Right, if you learn something new, drop a comment, smash the like button, share this video, and of course subscribe, and I'll be dropping better videos like this. All right, thank you for watching.